Hey guys, today I'm going to show you from a 2-second improvement video. I'm going to show you how to open different Windows Explorer tabs, multiple. So people do these sometimes. Maybe you already know these, but if you don't, so you have one open and then you want to open another one. You go you can click the middle button of your mouse. So now you got two, as many times as you want, right? Or sometimes you want to go right click on the Windows, open Windows Explorer, right? Well, I don't know if you know these. You can open a new one holding your Ctrl and that works too. So that's it for my 2-second improvement video.